Check this out guys, this is the Imou Selgo camera which can be used outdoors or indoors. Packed with a rechargeable battery, night vision, IP65 water resistant, you got vlog mode which I've never seen before on a Scooty camera, and many other similar camera features. Can be charged up by a solar panel which is included too. Right, inside the box there are simple pictured instructions to follow. A micro USB solar panel to keep that camera charged up for free. Fixings to help you install the camera wherever on the wall. Right guys, let's get straight to this Imou camera. You got a power button, vlog mode button, built-in mic, mounting thread, 2 speakers and a micro USB charge slot. A built-in 5000 mAh rechargeable battery. Now this face design reminds me, if you can remember guys, the robot Wally. A 3 megapixel with a 2K resolution picture quality camera. And it's super lightweight too. Let's get this working. Install the app by scanning the QR code. Switch on your location. Sign up. Add device. The QR device code will be at the back of the camera. Follow the instructions to pair. You can activate a free trial plan which gives you 8 seconds cloud recording. This specific camera has an embedded multimedia card which is built-in storage. There is no micro SD card slot. So once you're successfully installed, just play around with the features to familiarize yourself. Take a look at the subscription packages as they start from 7p a day depending on your requirements. Now with any other camera you can receive notifications. I was able to scroll through the timeline smoothly. Picture quality is sharp, a 2K resolution with a wide angle lens. There's a siren which can be useful. privacy mode, performance mode, vlog mode, and many more features packed in this app. It's crystal clear in night vision.
So putting directly from the Imou camera, and this is the app will be upscaled to 2K, and this is how the voice sound. Kitty. At the moment I'm recording in vlog mode, which the video quality can be upscaled to 2K, and this is how my audio sounds like.
So guys, if you're looking for a wireless outdoor or indoor security camera that doesn't break the bank, check out the Imou Selgo. Stay safe, peace.